So I have this old Craftsman saw. This thing's probably over 25 years old, and it's been a great little saw. But the other day I went to flip the switch on and nothing happened. So rather than get rid of the saw, I turned it upside down, cleaned everything up, and now I'm ready to troubleshoot. So I thought I'd make a quick video. So first thing I did was got my continuity tester. And with the continuity tester, it tells you if the circuit is closed, it'll make a noise. So if I touch that at 2 points, it'll tell me if there's a break somewhere. So first thing I did was put it to the plug and nothing. So it tells me there is an incomplete circuit. Now, the best explanation would be that the switch is not on. So make sure that that's on. And let's try it again. And still nothing. So I know that there's a break in the cord somewhere, which the cord looks great, so I don't suspect that. Or the reset breaker button, or the switch itself. So I'm going to go ahead and check continuity on the reset switch, and that tells me that the reset switch is working. Means this is not broken. So then I go to the on and off switch, and nothing. Let's turn the switch on. Still nothing. So I have a bad switch. So I ordered a switch. It's 12 bucks to save my saw. But if you want to make sure, you can create a jumper and test it. So I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so I've got my saw plugged in now, and the switch connects those 2 points. And when this is on, it completes the circuit and turns the saw on. So I made a jumper cable, and I'm just gonna put one end in here. Whoa. Okay, I got the one end in there, and all I'm gonna do is just tap it to complete the circuit, basically jump in the saw. And there we go. So I know that my $12 switch will save the saw. And when you got your saw upside down, it's a really great time to just clean and lube all the gears, the spindles, everything, change your saw blade. I cleaned all this up and blew it all out with the air gun, and I'm getting ready to change the blade too. And saw will run like new.